Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you guys are new here. My name is Rachel. I like to make videos on cleaning and Etsy tips and just lifestyle, just anything that I can like talk about and help you guys with. That's what I'm all about here on this channel. So make sure that you subscribe if you guys are interested in that, and you hit that little bell notification so that way you're notified anytime that I upload and you don't miss a video. Also give this video a thumbs up if you guys like cleaning hauls, because that is what we're talking about today. So if you guys watched my last Grove haul, you would know that I pre-ordered some fall scent stuff from Mrs. Meyers, but it didn't make it to their warehouse in time to ship with my last Grove order, so I'm showing it today. It's a small haul, but I am excited about it because fall and cleaning and Grove. Do I need to say more? So let's just jump right into this video. So there were two different options. You could choose the pumpkin scent or the apple cider scent, or I guess you could choose both if you wanted to spend that money on it, but I just chose one, and I chose the apple cider scent because I'm not a huge pumpkin fan. I know, don't hate me, but it's not really my thing. But I had watched videos from last year when Mrs. Meyers had the apple cider scent out, and I really wanted to get it when it came out this year, so I kind of already had in my head that that was the one I was gonna get. And I think the pumpkin scent was new this year. I don't know, maybe not. I just didn't really hear people talking about it last year, so I don't know. But I decided to pick up the apple cider scent, so of course I got the multi-purpose spray, or not multi-purpose, multi-surface spray in apple cider, and I basically got the whole bundle, as you'll see, but there were a couple extras. So but I really like their sprays. I use them on like everything, guys, like no joke. I clean wood with it, and I know you're probably not supposed to, but like, I don't know, I don't care. That's all I can say about that. But yeah, so I got the multi-surface spray in apple cider, and then of course it comes with a dish soap. So I really like their dish soap. I still have my honeysuckle scent in my kitchen, but I am going to be switching it out for this one very soon. But I just this stuff smells really good. I'm really sad that this is just a limited edition scent. Of course it came with the hand soap. This is just going to go in my kitchen along with the dish soap. I like to have them both there together. And I'm really sad too because I feel like the hand soap runs out faster than everything else. So I may have to like go. I think they still had these at my Target. They were just out of the spray, I think. But I'm gonna have to pick up some more because I feel like this is gonna go pretty fast. All right, and there were two extras that came with this bundle. I think there were different bundle options, and I think I got the medium-sized one. I don't really know. But it did come with two extras, the bundle that I got, so I'm gonna show them to you. So I'm really excited about this, actually. This is a kitchen towel, and it just has like the nice fall colors, and I think it's gonna be perfect in my kitchen. I don't have a lot of kitchen towels. Like, I just have like some plain ones, but I don't really have anything that like looks like fall, you know what I mean? They're just kind of like basic blah kitchen towels. But I'm excited to put this in my kitchen and make it feel a little bit more like fall in my kitchen. All right, and then the last thing that came in my order is this maple and nutmeg soy candle. This is the Grove Collaborative brand. It's very, like, you can really smell the nutmeg. It's not bad, but honestly, this is gonna sound crazy, but this scent reminds me of like when I walk into Whole Foods. I don't know why. I don't know why like nutmeg would make me think of like walking into Whole Foods, but it does. Like that's really what it smells like to me whenever I go to like my local Whole Foods. So maybe it's just my Whole Foods, I don't know, but that's what it smells like. But I am really excited. I've never tried a soy candle before, so this should be interesting. I don't really know the differences. Maybe I should, so we're gonna learn them, I guess. But yeah, I am really excited to try this out and make my house smell like fall. So that's everything that I got in this Grove haul. There will be another Grove haul later this month. Well, unless I decide to skip my box this month. I haven't decided. But this was just kind of like a small, what didn't make it in the last month's haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys are trying out any of the fall scents, which ones you guys tried out. I did smell the pumpkin in store and it wasn't bad. It's just not like I'd rather have the apple cider, you know what I mean? But let me know if you guys are trying any of the other scents and what you think of them. And also let me know if you guys want to see a fall cleaning / decorating video with me. I thought that would be fun. We really don't decorate for like different seasons, but I thought it would be fun maybe to like get a couple things and just decorate my apartment for fall. I'm so excited. I know it's not fall yet, so I'm holding off until it's actually fall, but let me know if that is a video that you guys would like to see. Also leave in the comments like what other videos you guys want to see from me, because do you guys like I know you like cleaning videos, but I feel like it would get old seeing the same thing and I want to switch it up. So let me know, give me some ideas. I thought about like weekly cleaning routine, monthly cleaning routine, daily cleaning routine, those kind of things. Maybe like a morning and night routine, just like not even a cleaning, just my morning and evening routine. So let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see from me. Don't forget to subscribe if you like these videos and hit that bell notification so that way you're notified when I upload. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because we love Mrs. Meyers and we love cleaning. But yeah, that is it for today's video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.